Hi, Libra love. This is Aira here, and Spirit has been guiding me to remind you of something very important today. The weight you've been carrying has already been lifted in the unseen. What felt like a never-ending struggle, what drained your energy and tested your patience, is no longer defining your future. The battle is over. Your angels want you to breathe differently now, to allow relief to enter your body, and to let healing soften the places that have been hardened by pain. This is your moment of release. Before we begin, I want you to know my personal readings start at just $9, and I also offer a monthly membership for $99 if you feel called to dive deeper with unlimited guidance. Everything you need to begin your journey is within reach, and this may be the perfect time to claim that. Now, Libra, let's move into your angel's message and see the doorway of peace and healing that is opening before you. First card, Six of Swords. The Six of Swords shows your spirit moving away from the turbulence that has shaken your mind and heart. For a long time, it felt as though you were stuck in waters that kept pulling you under, unable to find a clear shore. Spirit is saying here that the passage has already begun, even if you don't yet see the land ahead. You are being carried across this transitional water by divine hands. This is a release from mental anguish, from cycles of worry and constant survival thinking. Your angels want you to recognize that healing doesn't always come as an instant wave. It sometimes looks like slow travel, like being guided gently across waters that used to feel threatening. The message here is that you no longer need to resist the flow. The current is not against you. It's guiding you towards stillness. Even if your thoughts still cling to what hurt you, Spirit is saying you're already further from that pain than you realize. The Six of Swords is also about new perspectives. What once looked like a defeat now transforms into a lesson that propelled you forward. This card assures you that the turmoil behind you will not chase you into your future. The angels are ensuring the past stays where it belongs, behind you. You are no longer defined by what you had to endure. As you settle into this truth, Spirit asks you to start imagining peace as your new normal. Don't wait until the storm completely vanishes. Begin to feel safe now. Healing begins the moment you allow yourself to recognize you're not in the same waters anymore. Second card, Temperance. Temperance arrives to remind you that your healing process is about balance, patience, and divine timing. For so long, you may have been living in extremes, moments of high stress followed by total burnout, or times of overgiving followed by emptiness. Spirit is saying the war inside of you has ended, and this card is the evidence of harmony returning. Your angels are showing you that they've been blending all the fragments of your experience into something whole. Even the parts of you that feel broken or scattered are being alchemized into wisdom. Temperance tells you not to rush your healing, because divine timing is perfectly orchestrating your renewal. Every step you've taken, every pause, every setback, every triumph, was part of the mixture that brings balance now. This card is deeply spiritual because it confirms that your angels are not just working with you, but through you. The more you allow yourself to breathe, slow down, and listen, the more you'll notice synchronicities guiding your choices. Peace is no longer temporary, it's being woven into your daily rhythm. Temperance is also an invitation. Start practicing gentleness with yourself. Instead of rushing toward the finish line of healing, ask yourself, how can I give my body, mind, and spirit what they need today? Your angels are saying you've earned the right to live gently now. Third card, the Sun. The sun shines through to show that joy is returning, brighter than you've imagined. After hardship, it can feel almost strange to allow happiness to flow in. But this card says that your angels want you to fully embrace the light without guilt. You are stepping into a season where the heaviness no longer defines you. The sun represents not just external blessings, but inner freedom. This is the emotional healing your angels promised. You're moving from survival mode into actual living. It's like waking up and realizing the weight has lifted, and you can breathe more easily. Spirit is saying that laughter, warmth, and genuine connection are ahead for you. The childlike part of you that felt buried beneath responsibility is being revived. This card also shows clarity. The sun is revealing truths, not to hurt you, but to illuminate the path ahead. You no longer need to guess or wonder whether you're worthy of joy. Your angels are saying you were created for it. The pain you endured has prepared you to appreciate happiness in its purest form. Without fear, it will be taken away. The sun is a blessing of confirmation. The battle is over, and the new chapter is radiant. This is the time to allow lightness back into your daily life. Let joy become part of your healing medicine. Fourth card, the star. The star follows the sun like a divine echo, reassuring you that renewal is not only possible but already happening. This card is the clearest message of emotional healing, hope, and spiritual restoration. Your angels want you to know you're being poured into, spiritually, emotionally, and energetically. The star is a card of faith. It asks you to release old patterns of expecting the worst, because those expectations were shaped by the battle you fought. Now, Spirit is teaching you to expect blessings instead. This is where miracles happen, when you trust again, even if the trust feels fragile at first. Your angels are saying this is the time to reconnect with your inner voice, with your prayers, with the quiet nudges that remind you you're not alone. The star also speaks of being guided to purpose. As you heal, you'll notice a clearer vision emerging about what your soul wants to create, give, and experience. In this card, emotional healing flows like water. Spirit is saying that every tear you've cried is being turned into medicine for your future. Nothing has been wasted. The light is guiding you, and it is safe now to hope again. Fifth card, Ten of Cups. The Ten of Cups closes your reading with the ultimate vision of emotional fulfillment and inner peace. This is the card of wholeness, happiness in family, relationships, and self-acceptance. Your angels are showing you that the long fight you've endured was leading you toward this harmony. The Ten of Cups doesn't just predict external blessings. It shows the internal shift, where you no longer sabotage or doubt your worthiness to be loved. Spirit is saying you will experience moments of real belonging, whether through family, friendships, or soul connections. The emptiness that used to sit in your heart will be replaced with warmth and connection. This card also speaks to healing family patterns. Where there was generational pain or cycles of dysfunction, you're the one chosen to bring peace. Your battle was never just for yourself. It was to end patterns that your soul agreed to heal. That's why your angels are celebrating you right now. The Ten of Cups reminds you that true victory isn't just surviving hardship. It's creating joy and love on the other side of it. Spirit is saying, you've already won. And this new chapter is about enjoying the life you've fought so hard to claim. Affirmation for Libra. I release the past with peace. I embrace the present with joy, and I trust the future with hope. The battle is over, and my healing has already begun.